Did you know? The average millionaire has at least 7 income streams. And guess what? Most of them are passive. While you're watching this, someone out there is earning money without lifting a finger. Want to know how they do it? Stick around, because today we're covering 10 easy passive income streams you can start, no matter your budget or experience. And here's the kicker. Nearly 60% of people still rely solely on a 9-to-5 job. Don't be one of them. It's time to break free and start earning smarter, not harder. Before we dive in, quick question. Do you like videos that help you make money while keeping life chill? Hit that subscribe button right now. You'll join thousands of others taking charge of their future. And hey, it's free. Let's get started. So what is passive income? In simple terms, it's money you earn with little to no daily effort after the setup. Think royalties, investments, or automated systems. It's how you make money while you sleep. But not all passive income streams are created equal. Some require more upfront work than others. Don't worry, I'll break it all down. Ever thought about renting out a property? Whether it's a second home or a room on Airbnb, rental income can provide consistent cash flow. Investing in dividend stocks is like owning a piece of the most profitable companies. They pay you for just holding their shares. Not all savings accounts are created equal. Some pay up to 4% interest, letting your money grow passively. Got a blog, YouTube channel, or social media page? Partner with brands, share affiliate links, and earn commissions. If you're an expert in anything, photography, coding, or fitness, record your knowledge and let platforms like Udemy sell it for you. Publishing an ebook is easier than ever, thanks to platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing. Write it once, sell it forever. Have a knack for photography? Upload your pictures to stock photo platforms and earn royalties every time someone downloads them. Help others with loans and earn interest. Peer-to-peer lending is a win-win. With ad revenue, sponsorships, and memberships, a YouTube channel can turn into a serious income stream. Dropshipping lets you sell products online without holding inventory. Let automation handle the heavy lifting. Remember, building passive income streams takes effort upfront, but the long-term rewards are worth it. Which stream are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. I'd love to know. And don't forget, this channel is all about helping you achieve financial freedom. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's build your future together.